Okay, general cycloalkanes, the general formula CnH2n. Whenever it is H2n, it is possible that is alkanes general formula also. General name cycloalkanes, hybridization sp3, because all carbons are single bond nature, isomeric compound alkenes. Okay, example, we are taking cyclopropane. What are the cycloalkanes? For example, what is this? This is again, what is this? Again, another one is this one, then another one is this one. Okay, what is this? Cyclopropane. This is a cyclobutane. These are the examples. Cyclopentane. This is a cyclohexane. Is it clear? Any doubts? Any doubts, guys? Shall I write down? Sure. Do it fast. So Satvik Ganjal, do it fast. Do it fast. Don't waste the time. Do it fast. Yes, complete. All are completed. Shall I move next slide? Chalo. Here again preparations. First one, internal Woods reaction. Okay, all of you please once check it out, Woods reaction in alkanes chapter. Once check it out, Woods reaction. Internal Woods reaction. Internal Woods reaction, right? 1,3 or 1,4 or 1,5 or 1,6 dihaloalkanes react with sodium metal under dry ether solvent to form corresponding cycloalkanes. For example, here see this one, Cl with 2 moles of sodium, right? What is this? 1, 2, 3, 1,3 dihalo. Yes or no? Yes or no? 1,3 dihalo. This one? Yes or no? 2 moles of sodium, then under dry ether. So loss of this one, then finally we get this is cycloalkane plus 2 moles of NaCl. If you are taken, this is a Cl, this is 1,4, then we get this one, then 2 NaCl. If you are getting Cl plus 2 moles of sodium, then similarly plus 2 NaCl. Similarly, if you are getting Cl, then Cl plus 2 Na, then dry ether. So what happens? Loss of NaBr, then plus 2 NaCl. This is cyclohexane. Yes, only terminal. That's what 1,3 and రాసినాం కదా. ఇక్కడ చూడండి 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1,6. మనం రాసినాం కదా 1,3 or 1,4 or 1,5 or 1,6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1,4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1,5. Is it clear, Sumit? Any doubts? Any doubts, guys? Chalo, write down. Write down. Guys, finished? Done. Bhavana ready. Anurag. Anish. Chalo. Right. Next, second preparation. This is a second preparation. This is very, very important. Diekmann synthesis. Diekmann cyclization from diester. From diesters. Yes, listen. Vinandi amma. Tarvatiki rayandi meeru. Vinandi first. Diesters are treated with sodium ethoxide, sodium ethoxide to form corresponding carbon ion, followed by involving cyclization process to form cyclohexanone. Hexanone on reduction with zinc amalgam HCl. మీరు ఇది విన్నారు ఏంటది? zinc amalgam HCl. Clemens reduction గుర్తుందా? Yes. Clemens reduction to form corresponding cyclohexane. Okay, here listen. I will write a structure, then I have to tell that again that is a mechanism also. Okay, you have to write the mechanism. Then CH2, then CH2, C double bond O, ET. ET means ethyl group. ET means ethyl. Then first one is sodium ethoxide. Okay, with followed by water. Then second one is zinc amalgam HCl. Then we get a cyclohexanone. Right? ET means CH3 CH2. This is a ET, ethyl group. Okay, I will tell you mechanism. All of you, please write down. Please write down this one. I will tell you mechanism. Okay, first write down this one. So I will discuss. Yes. Now I will discuss mechanism. Listen, don't write down. Please stop the writing. I will tell you mechanism. CH2, then CH2, C double bond O ET, then CH2, C double bond OET. Right? Here sodium ethoxide means OET minus. Minus means it is acting as a, actually sodium ethoxide means CH3 CH2O minus Na plus. This is acting as a strong base. It requires H plus add. Where is the source? Always adjacent of carbonyl functional group. This is always acidic carbon. What is this carbon? Acidic carbon. Why it is acting as acidic? Because of adjacent C double bond group is there. This is also acidic carbon. But whereas these carbons, this is a normal carbon, neutral carbons. Okay, it does not loses neutral carbon. This is also neutral. So which one is loses H plus ion? This one, either this carbon or this carbon, because adjacent C double bond group is there, minus Me group. Is it clear? So that loss of H plus, loss of H plus. H plus means carbon get the, what is the charge? Carbon. Carbon get the negative charge, right? CH2, CH minus, C double bond OET, then CH2, CH2, then C double bond O, C double bond OET. Here ethanol, ETOH, loss of ethanol, OET minus H plus, ethanol. So in this case, again, in this case, carbon and oxygen, which is more electronegativity? Carbon and oxygen, which is more electronegativity? Which is more? Anurag, Hemalata, oxygen. So this bond is moves to here. This get the negative charge. This one get the positive charge. This is a negative charge attack to positive. Okay, shall I write like this? CH2, then CH2, then CH, then CH2, then CH2, C, O minus OET, OET, then C, then C double bond OET. All are understood how to write up? All are understood? Yes or no? Negative attack to positive. This is a bond cyclization. So 6-member ring. Right? Now we treated with the water. Water point. Water means H plus or OH minus. This H plus attack to here. This is attack to here. So that CH2, then CH2, then CH, CH2, CH2, C, this is a OET, then OH, then C double bond OET. Is it clear? Is it clear? Any doubts? Up to this step, any doubts, guys? చెప్పండమ్మా ఒక్కసారి చూసుకోండి ఏమైనా అర్థం కాకపోతే మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను. Once take it out up to this step. Up to this step. Whether you wrote, you're understood or not, please tell me. If you have any doubts, please ask. Up to this example. Any doubts? Third step. This is a H plus. Water is same with the H plus and OH minus. H plus attack to here, OH minus, loss of OH minus. Negative charge again. Is it clear? So in this case, any doubts? Yes, carbon H plus పోతే carbon and hydrogen ఇది ప్లస్ అవుతుంది, ఇది ప్లస్ అయింది అనుకోండి, ఇది ప్లస్ అండి, ఇది ప్లస్ అయితే ఇది ఏం కావాలి? నెగిటివ్ కదా వచ్చింది ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ లో. కృష్ణ మనోజ్ H ప్లస్ అంటే కార్బన్ నెగిటివ్ కదా. Is it clear? Is it clear? Any doubts? Any doubts? మళ్ళీ ఇంకొకసారి హైడ్రాలసిస్ చేయండి. వాటర్ హైడ్రాలసిస్ చేస్తే లీజన్ OH is this side, H is this side. Similarly, OH is this side, H is this side. 2 moles of ethanol బయటకు వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఇథనాల్ అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ? CH2, then CH2, then CH, then CH2, CH2, C, this is a OH, this is OH, then C double bond OH. Any doubts up to this step? Any doubts this step? Any doubts, guys? This step, just to break this now. Water is now OH is H is this side, OH is this side, H is this side. Any doubts? Yashwan, Yashwan, Krishna Manoj, Hemalata, Anurag, Satvik Ganjal. Any doubts? So any carbon having 2 OH groups, this is always unstable, loss of water. Or if it is carbon having OH, manam diols lo rashnam, you should write down direct to C double bond, loss of water. Direct mana C double bond రాయొచ్చు. So we wrote again C double bond O. Shall I write like this? C double bond O OH. Then this is a double bond O, loss of water. What is this? Which one is a major functional group? These two. Which one is major functional group? Major functional group. Which one is major? Acid or keto? Acid. So with respect to this one, alpha, beta. This is a beta keto carboxylic acids. Beta keto carboxylic acid. While applying the delta heating, it is loss of carbon dioxide without using any reagent. Carbon dioxide potadandi. Enduku potadandi mean second year lo cheptanu. Adi second year mechanism. Okay, beta position matrame. Leave it alpha and the remaining positions. C double bond. What is this? Cyclohexanone. Cyclohexanone. Hexanone. దీనికి మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? Another rearrangement. Zinc amalgam HCl. Clemens-1 reduction. Clemens-1 reduction. Gurtunda? Then it form zinc amalgam HCl. Then it form cyclohexane. Vachina? We get cyclohexane? Yes or no? Any doubts? Any doubts, guys? Any doubts? Anurag, Satvik Ganjal, Shanmukh, G. Yashwan. Any doubts? So write down, guys. Write down. Don't waste the time. Write down. Any doubts, guys? From calcium salt of carboxylic acid. Calcium salts of carboxylic acid while applying the heat, this one, to form cyclohexanone. It is a ketone followed by reduction with zinc amalgam HCl, that is Clemens-1 reduction. It forms cyclohexane. Cyclo, that is whatever that alkane, irrespective of whatever that we get cyclohexanone, that cycloalkanone, then we get cyclohexane, right? ఇక్కడ ఏంది హీట్ చేయాలి. CaCO3, లాస్ ఆఫ్ CaCO3 precipitate form అవుతుంది, precipitate PPT. Then again cyclo, here butanone reduction with zinc amalgam HCl, we get cyclobutane. What is this? Cyclobutane. ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని కార్బన్స్ తీసుకుంటే అంత పెరుగుతూనే ఉంటుంది. Is it clear? Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts, guys? Hemalata, Sriharsh, Satvik Ganjal, Anurag. Any doubts? Chalo, write down. Write down. Yes, guys, finished off. Over. Chalo. For example, question lo ila isarandi. CH2, then CH2, then CH2, C double bond O, then CH2, C double bond O, calcium. So aim to just heating CaCO3 bottle. Any carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So like this. Then zinc amalgam HCl. So it forms cyclo. Is it clear? Any doubts? If it is, they will give like this: CH2, 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 C double bond O, then CH. C double bond O, then calcium. CaCO3. So then they will give cyclopentanone. Then zinc amalgam HCl. Then we get a cyclopentanone. Any doubts? Any doubts? First we have to check it out how many carbons they will give. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we get only 6 because one is CaCO3. Calcium carbonate ga bite ke velipotundandi. Okay, now one carbon is lost. NC carbon converted to N-1. NC carbon converted to N-1. One carbon decreases. Is it clear? Anurag, Sriharsh, Hemalata. It is clear, amma? Chalo, write down fast. Right. Here, one more is a Siemens-Smith reaction. Okay, once check it out, alkenes properties, reaction with diazomethylene and niacinone. Once check it out, it is there or not there. Once check it out. Come to the alkenes react with diazomethylene methylene, that is CH2N2, or diiodomethylene, that is CH2I2. Okay, to form corresponding cyclopropane and their derivatives. Their derivatives. మీకు గుర్తుందో లేదో చెప్పినాను మీకు మీ క్లాస్లో. ఇట్ ఈస్ దేర్, ఉందా అక్కడ? CH2 దెన్ ప్లస్ CH2I2 థర్మల్ కండిషన్, కొంచెం హీట్ చేయండి, దెన్ CH2 దెన్ CH2 ప్లస్ I2, ఐడిన్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. లేదంటే మిథిల్ ఏంటంటే N2. ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? ఎనీ డౌట్స్? ఎనీ డౌట్స్? Any doubts? Any doubts only? It is there. Once check it out, guys. Yes, guys, finished now. Any doubts? Any doubts? Oh, one more synthesis. One more synthesis from benzene. From benzene. From benzene. Right? Benzene and their derivatives. Derivatives on reduction with H2 nickel or H2 platinum or H2 palladium. What is this? Catalytic reduction, you know? Yes, catalytic reduction to form cyclohexane and their derivatives. Student, వినండి. Once listen, please. Once listen, guys. Cyclohexane. How many double bonds are there in the benzene? How many double bonds are there? How many double bonds are there? How many? Inside, how many double bonds are there? 3. You take 3 moles of H2 in the presence of nickel. So it form all double bonds are disappear. Is it clear? If it is, what is this? Again, H2 nickel. So methyl cyclohexane. If it is, what is this? Naphthalene. Bicyclo compounds. We are taken 5 moles because 5 double bonds are there. And Newton is called. Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts? This is generally we are calling as a reduction. Chalo, write down.